cracking the whip on pharmaceutical to doctors and their families, the union government implemented a uniform code for marketing practices by pharma companies. Now, the Uniform Code for Pharmaceutical Marketing Practices bans companies from any kind of gifts to healthcare professionals or their kin while laying out redressal in case of a breach of code. The move comes amidst growing medical expenditure owing to the expenditure by pharmaceutical companies on marketing their products, the onus of which finally falls on patients. Now, sharing a copy of the Uniform Code with pharma associations, the Department for Pharmaceuticals has directed the associations to form an ethics panel to ensure compliance as well as redressal in case of any breach. Now, the code not only includes punitive action against a pharma representative by the way of suspending or expulsion from the association, but also holds the CEO of the company accountable for adherence to the Uniform Code. Isha, my colleague, joins me for more. Isha, very good morning. Clearly, this action that has been taken is big. What really prompted this move?
So the government has, notified the Uniform Code for Pharmaceutical Marketing Practices, and in fact, this prohibits the company from practicing or organizing workshops abroad for healthcare professionals, or so that there are no unethical practices. In fact, when it comes to the pharmaceutical industry, there have been several cases that have come up with where these workshops are organized on an unofficial level, which does result in a very fatal kind of scene as well. In fact, according to the code that is notified by the Department of the Pharmaceuticals, no gift of personal benefit should be offered to healthcare professionals or their family members, and it also bans the supply of free samples to those who are not qualified to prescribe such a product. In fact, this code has been there have been marketing practices since 2015, but this new code has come in and, in fact, is extremely important. In fact, this also means that representatives should not extend traveling facilities inside or outside the country, including rail, air, ship, or cruise travels. In fact, even the family members cannot get any more benefits out of any of that comes in. No gift given is what the code says. Back to you.
Right, Isha, I appreciate you getting us all those inputs as far as is concerned. For the moment, we leave it at that. Slipping a quick break here on Metro Morning. More news to continue on the other side.